Hi everyone, I'm so excited to show you guys this Covergirl Trunaked Dazed makeup palette that I got from Walmart. And I like the fact that it has multiple rainbow assorted colors. And there are 8 colors here, and there are metallic in appearance.
And of course it has the instructions in the back of how to apply the colors.
It also has a miniature brush that you can use with this palette to apply the shadows onto your eyes. There's a thinner portion on one end and also a broader portion on the other hand, and this is the broader portion of the brush.
I'm going to apply the colors a red, black, and green on my eyelids because that represents the Pan-African flag.
Right now this is the pink color, and this one is the beautiful orange, metallic orange color. Now all these shadows do have a metallic appearance to it, except one, which you will see soon, and this is the yellowish goldish color. Now this one right here, it is a deep green color, and I adore this color the most because green is my favorite. And just look at it. Here we have the bluish, deep blue color, and it's also adorable. You can hear my kids in the background, but don't mind them. And this sky blue color is a matted appearance. There's no metallic or glitter in it, and that's awesome. And this purplish color here is radiant. I mean, like, it looks blue, but it's really radiant. It's beautiful. It has a metallic appearance, and this shadowy black color, you can see that it's glittering right now, and that's the final color that you see.
In order to pay my respects as well as commemorate the civil rights movement, as well as Marcus Garvey, who was the individual who came up with this color scheme.